This Mac inference server just made LLM prefill 30 times faster. 845 tokens per second on a single M3 Ultra. It's called oMLX. 20,000 stars on GitHub, Apache 2 licensed. And it turns any Apple Silicon Mac into a production-grade LLM server. Every local server forces a choice. Pin your models in RAM and hit memory walls, or swap them out and eat cold reloads every time. oMLX splits the KV cache into two tiers. Hot blocks stay in RAM, cold blocks spill to SSD, and they survive a full server restart. The magic is custom metal kernels. On GLM 5.2, the fused prefill path pushes 845 tokens per second. The generic path manages 29. Continuous batching interleaves 8 concurrent requests by default, while LRU eviction, pinning, and per model TTL keep memory off your plate. It speaks OpenAI and Anthropic natively. Point Claude Code at localhost, and context scaling keeps auto-compact firing at exactly the right moment. And the wild part: split one model across two Macs with different memory over a single Thunderbolt cable. No accounts, no telemetry, no API keys to rotate. Your models never leave the machine. The Mac on your desk is now a real inference box. One homebrew command and you're serving.